Start with the rice, warm in the bowl. Chop green onions, soothing the soul. Black sesame seeds scattered around. Kewpie Mayo, the best flavor found. Top it with spicy tuna, nice and red. Comfort food, cravings being fed. Now we mix it all together, slow and steady pace. Every single grain falls right into place. Scoop it up gently, rolling in my hand. 8 perfect balls, exactly as planned. Round and smooth in the candlelight. Everything is gonna be alright. Crisp Nori Sheets laid down too. Dark green crunch waiting for you. Drizzle more mayo, just a little shine. Sesame sprinkle, yeah, it looks so fine. Lift it up close, take a big bite. Savor the flavor in the quiet night.
So cozy, Jumeokbap.